Welcome to Mind Mentor. In this video we will understand what macro teaching is. It is a teaching technique commonly used in teacher education programs to help prospective teachers develop and refine their teaching skills. It involves breaking down the teaching process into manageable parts and practicing them in a controlled environment before applying them in a real classroom setting. The term macro in macro teaching refers to the focus on the broader aspects of teaching, such as lesson planning, instructional strategies, classroom management, and assessment, as opposed to micro teaching, which focuses on specific teaching skills like questioning techniques or classroom gestures. Here is a detailed overview of macro teaching. Purpose of macro teaching. 1. Skill development. The primary goal of macro teaching is to help prospective teachers build essential teaching skills and strategies. 2. Reflection and improvement. It provides a safe and controlled space for teachers to reflect on their teaching methods, receive feedback, and make improvements. 3. Confidence building. Macro teaching allows teachers to gain confidence in their abilities before they enter a real classroom. Components of macro teaching. 1. Lesson planning. Prospective teachers prepare detailed lesson plans, including learning objectives, content, teaching materials, and assessment strategies. 2. Instructional delivery. Teachers present their lessons to a group of peers or mentors. This can include delivering lectures, leading discussions, or conducting hands-on activities. 3. Feedback and evaluation. After the teaching session, peers and mentors provide constructive feedback based on predetermined criteria. 4. Reflection. Teachers reflect on their teaching performance and make adjustments for improvement. Key steps in macro teaching. 1. Selection of teaching content. Teachers choose a specific topic or subject matter to teach during the macro teaching session. 2. Lesson planning. They develop a comprehensive lesson plan, including objectives, content, teaching strategies, and assessment methods. 3. Presentation. Teachers deliver the lesson to a small group of peers or mentors, simulating a real classroom setting. 4. Feedback and discussion. After the presentation, peers and mentors provide feedback on various aspects of the lesson, such as content clarity, engagement, and classroom management. 5. Reflection. Teachers reflect on the feedback received, identify areas for improvement, and make necessary adjustments to their teaching strategies. 6. Repeat. The process can be repeated multiple times to refine teaching skills further. Benefits of macro teaching. 1. Skill development. It helps teachers develop a wide range of teaching skills, from planning and organization to effective communication. 2. Safe environment. Teachers can make mistakes and receive feedback in a safe and supportive environment, without the pressure of a real classroom. 3. Confidence building. Practicing in a controlled setting builds teachers' confidence, which is crucial for success in a classroom. 4. Reflective practice. It encourages teachers to reflect on their teaching methods and continuously improve their instructional techniques. Challenges and considerations. 1. Limited realism. Despite its benefits, macro teaching may lack the realism and unpredictability of actual classroom situations. 2. Resource intensive. It requires time, resources, and trained mentors to be effective. 3. Individualized feedback. Providing constructive feedback to multiple teachers can be time-consuming. In conclusion, macro teaching is a valuable pedagogical tool in teacher education that helps aspiring teachers hone their instructional skills, gain confidence, and reflect on their teaching practices. While it may not fully replicate the complexities of real classrooms, it serves as an essential step in the development of effective educators. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel, Mind Mentor.